Hello, how you doing? So welcome back to, I think, this is part 4 of how I'm getting on with my trying to reverse diabetes. If you haven't seen the other 3, check them out. I'll leave them, they'll pop up at the end. Anyway, so look, what's going on is diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. Didn't want to take insulin, so I'm taking 1 month. I'm about 2 weeks in now, halfway through, of completely changing my diet. So no carbs, and no sugar, totally no sugar, apart from sort of natural, sort of fruits and stuff, which I'm eating quite a lot of. So how's it going? I feel amazing. Like, I instantly felt amazing. I'm still feeling really good. I've got great energy, which I didn't have before. I used to crash really badly quite a lot. Doing really good. I think I've lost about 3 or 4 kg, feel a lot sort of lighter in myself, and sort of, I'm feeling really good. So 2 more weeks to go. Then I'm going to go back, have some blood tests and whatever. And if I have to take insulin, then I will. But I reckon I'm going to do it. I reckon I'm going to crack this, I'm feeling really good. So, yeah, no bread, no pasta, no potatoes. Am I finding it difficult? No, not at all. Not at all. I'm actually really liking it. I'm eating quite a lot of meat. So, because I've given up the carbs, I'm eating quite a lot of fat. So, steak, chicken, fish. I'm eating quite a lot more fish than I usually do, and I'm really enjoying it. I mean, I think this is kind of how I'm just going to be now. What's amazing is when I go to a supermarket, I just dodge about 70% of every aisle because I don't eat that anymore, which is good. I'm sort of I'm in fresh meat, fresh fish, veg. That's kind of what I'm doing. Eating loads of fruit, eating loads of salad. It's good. I'm feeling really good. I'm like really good, and I hope that I know there's a few of you that have sent a few messages sort of saying that you're going to be doing the same, and I hope that you're getting on fine with it. Yeah, so I'm just going to. That's it. I've nothing else to report apart from I'm feeling all right. Now, exercise. It's important to do exercise, and I'm bloody rubbish at that. I've been doing a bit of walking and a little bit of sort of doing a few sort of star jumps and stuff like that, but to be honest, not that much. I need to up my game a bit there, but that's it. So I'm going to leave you with a couple of recipes that I've been eating. One of them, really nice omelette with some nice pancetta on it and things like that. Like I say, I'm going crazy with the meat and fats, like cheese and eggs and all that. I'm into it, doing really well with that. And also, what else did we make on this one? Bit of sort of a chicken chili sort of thing, so chicken and veg and stuff like that. So check that out, and thanks a lot for all the messages that you guys have been sending me, and sort of encouragement and advice. I really do appreciate it. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. So that's it. See you later. So what we've got here is a lovely selection of vegetables. You can use whatever you want. I've got some chicken breasts, a tomato base with some cumin, paprika, chili, oregano. Really wonderful. So let's kick off with this one. So I've got a can of tomatoes here, but this can of tomatoes is a cherry tomato. I mean, you can use a regular can, of course. And then just a selection of veggies, which I'm eating quite a lot of. So I've got cauliflower, bell peppers, green beans, mushrooms and carrots, roughly equal parts. Is about 1.5 cups, maybe of each. Think about celery, think about some parsnips or some sort of root vegetable like that. Up to you where you want to go with it, really. Okay, 1 chicken breast, no skin, no bone, cut into kind of fairly nice pieces. Tablespoon of garlic, and then here 2 teaspoons of chili powder, smoked paprika, which I think is lovely in there, oregano and cumin. Let's get to the cooker and get this going. It's really easy. Okay, so I've got a little pan here with some olive oil in. Now, you may have noticed a schoolboy error. I forgot to mention onions, so I've just got 1 regular size onion there, not a lot. To that, we're going to add our tablespoon of garlic. And then I'm going to pop in my green beans, like some hardest vegetables first, really, and my carrots. Again, you can cut these how you want, really, can't you? And I've done it in this sort sort of shape, but up to you. Above medium heat, 3 minutes. See you then. Okay, let's pop our chicken in now. So 1 chicken breast, no skin, no bone. Black pepper. Salt. And I'm even going to pop in now my cauliflower. About another 3 or 4 minutes. Keep it moving. We're well on our way. Next up, my bell peppers, my mushrooms, and then again, another 2 to 3 minutes. Keep it moving. Okay, so we're now going to add in 1 can of tomatoes. Like I said, I've got this cherry tomato one here. You don't have to use that. And then let's have a little look again. A couple of teaspoons each of smoked paprika, oregano, cumin, and chili powder. In that goes. A little mix. And we're still on a above medium heat here. A little bit of water. What I'm going to do now is lower to, we're going to go below medium now. Go below medium. I'm going to pop a lid on this, leave it for 5 minutes. We should be done. So easy. Okay, off goes the heat, off comes the lid. Let me get some steam out. That is looking really beautiful, really beautiful. Loving that. Nice big bowl of that. I'll just sit and eat that. I'm not missing the rice or anything. Little bit of chopped parsley or cilantro, up to you. Little mix, job done. Let me get that at the table. And there you go, really, really good. So back in the day, I'd have rice with that, wouldn't I? Or bread, but no need. I'm really enjoying not eating it, to be honest. I'll just get in there, I'll have a nice bowl of that. I mean, that's loads there. Look, by the way, on this diet, I'm eating whatever I like quantities. Like, I'm not kind of portioning anything out. So, I mean, I'm eating really well, especially like with lots of salad and fruit. I'm stuffing that all day. But yeah, wonderful. Okay, let's now make a little omelette, which is really delicious. Check this one out. So I'm making quite a lot of omelettes. A bit of a treat actually, an omelette is for me. So yeah, 4 eggs. I've got onions in this one, mushrooms, bell peppers. I've got some mozzarella cheese, a few other little bits, a little bit of oregano. And then just on the top, I've got some sort of pancetta, or you can put some sliced ham or something like that. Really, really simple, absolutely delicious. Enjoy this one, guys, and I'll see you on part 5. This will be. Next one will be part 5. This is 4. We'll be doing 5 next, obviously. Look, I'm feeling great. I really am feeling great. And yeah, join me if you want. And thanks for all the messages and all the lovely advice. See you later. Hi, how you doing? Thanks so much for checking out our videos. Really, really do appreciate it. We're busy as ever. We're pumping out some fantastic food. Well, we think it's fantastic. So Chef June's got his own channel now. Please check that out. He's doing great guns on there, all in Tagalog, some fantastic food he's making. Rahel's doing her Armaric channel, which has been going on for some years now, and she's doing great. But please check it out if you want to know about Ethiopian food, although it is all in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia. The vegan channel's doing okay. Could do with a bit of help actually, so pop over there and give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We're doing fine. We're still here in Bahrain at the moment. It's very hot, as you could imagine, but yeah, happy as can be. Now, if you'd like to help the channel out, you could buy us a coffee, or there's a little link will pop up now maybe, or something will pop up or something. But yeah, if you want to support the channel, that would help us out a great deal. Really, really appreciate all of you who send messages and follow us, on a regular basis. We love you all. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.